We're going to begin by introducing the supplied parts and hardware. We have left side, right side racks, and we have a mounting plate. We also supply 4 spacers and 4 M6 by 30 millimeter long bolts, washers, and nylock nuts for the plate. For the racks, 4 M8 by 40 millimeter long bolts and 4 M8 by 25 millimeter long bolts plus washers. We also supply 2 open-ended spacers for the foot pegs, tools, 10 millimeter wrench or spanner, ratchet plus extensions, 5 and 6 millimeter Allen bits, or you can use Allen keys if that's what you have. And then you can remove the OEM bolts from the foot pegs and replace them with the supplied M8 by 40s. Yeah, remember to apply blue Loctite, and then the spacer will have to go in its place up front. And then you can mount the plate if you end up using it. You can mount it in the location you would like to. Remember to pinch the spacers between the tab and the plate. And then you can begin to mount one of the racks, either left side or right side. Please note that the front end will have to slip in between the foot peg and the frame. So leave it loose. And once all the bolts are in place, you can begin to pull them snug. And when that's done, you can repeat the very same steps on the right hand side, except for the mounting plate portion of the installation. Again, leave some space for the space and leave some space for the tab as well. Should you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us via email info@outbackmotortek.com, or you can call toll free 877-931-3636. Thanks for watching.